Welcome to YouTube. Hello viewers, it's another video regarding this doubled in on Toyota Prius Mark II from 2004 to 2009. So it's to fix the issue relating climate control and your energy notification. I've seen many messages. People have tried different ways. They've tried resistors and other bits, but they say it doesn't work. Still having the problem. So what I did, I fitted all that and left this cable outside for the resistor. So I did get one resistor in the post, which is this one, and I tested it, and it doesn't make no difference. It's still the same problem. I will show you exactly what's going on. Now, as you can see, it's hooked in and it's time to test. For instance, if I press this button, it should just work, but it still says check connection of the air conditioner. So technically it didn't work. I bought it off eBay. It said it says 68 ohm, and then I ended up testing it. Let me show you what it comes up with. Right, so I've got the multimeter. What you need to do is just set it on ohm, and if we touch it on both sides, it should show us 67 or 68, but it comes up with 0.67. So, but on eBay it said it's 68 ohm. Probably they didn't know. So if we touch these two here, we keep this here so you can see it. Yeah, it just goes up to 0.00, 0.6 or 7. That's maximum it goes up to. So if you do conversions in ohm and all that times 1000 etc., it's not 68 ohm. So this is a wrong resistor. When you get it, make sure it's 67. Then I ended up ordering another one, which is this one, right? And let me put this one, test this one before we plug this in. See, 67.7 goes up to like 60. Depends on load. I'll teach you all that, how load works and how resistance work and all that. But yeah, that should work, and we'll plug this in and I'll show you how it works. Right, so that's all connected, and look at this. Didn't have to do anything, it just came up. Yeah, so it works fine. There you go. Perfect. Obviously audio is not connected. There are a few other ways we can sort that out as well. So display, yeah, all works. Bingo. Yeah, that's it. So if you get this problem, just make sure you've got the right resistor. It should be 67 point something, and with the high resistance. So you can't put like low resistance because it will put extra load and it won't turn on. Yeah, that fixes the problem. It's just a matter of getting the right resistor. On eBay, there's so many people selling resistors and it says 68 ohm, but they're not. And when you get it, make sure put multimeter on, test it, and that's it. That will fix your problem. Thank you. And make sure you subscribe, please. Thank you.